Oh no, Matthew, Lightning McQueen is broken. Use your tools to fix him. Quit clamping the race car. Fix Lightning with the hammer. Okay, you gotta put the clamp on Lightning? Yeah, put it on his tire. Here, just put it on his tire right there. Okay, now get the hammer. Get the hammer to fix Lightning. Oh, screwdriver? Yes. Okay. Screwdriver? Very good.
Screwdriver.
Get the screwdriver. There you go. You gotta screw the tires on.
There.
There. Okay, oh, now you gotta fix the little car?
Fix the little car.
Fix the little car with the screwdriver?
There.
Good job. Get the hammer and fix Lightning. No, those are the pliers.
Get the hammer.
That's not a hammer.
What's that?
I don't know. It's not a hammer.
There.
This is a hammer. Here you go.
See, get the Lightning.
Yes.
There.
There. Is Lightning all fixed? Matthew? Lightning all fixed? Okay. Let's fix Mater now. Check out his tires. He's telling you his tires are broke. Check out his tires.
Check out my tires. There.
There.
Check out my tires. I'm the world's best backward guy.
Mater all fixed?
Me fit.
Very good. Good job. Put him down.
Oh, it's me the foot. Me to broken.
No, you just fixed Mater. There you go. Fix little Lightning now. Which tool to get? Screwdriver. Good choice.
There.
There.
Oh, Thomas, hey, you hold two.
That's not Thomas, that's Speed Racer. You gonna fix him too? Fixing Speed Racer?
Oh.
Well, he just broke him again.
There.
There.